Hi, I'm Jeff Tackney.
I'm Jen Tackney,
And
we're Team Tackney. Today, where are we?
Today we are at 6857 Citriadora Lane. No, actually Citriadora Court here in Bixby Greens in West Garden Grove, California.
You want to tell us a little bit about this place?
Absolutely love to.
Thank you.
Beautiful townhome. Little known fact, Frank Ghery, world famous architect, one of his first communities that he did the architecture for, this community, when it was, I believe, procured by Boeing for its executive corporate living.
Yes.
So the unit itself, beautiful, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath.
It's important you have that half bath downstairs for your guests. It is fabulous. What's above your head?
Ceiling, smooth.
Yeah, smooth. No acoustic, no cottage cheese on the ceilings. That's awesome.
Yep.
And behind you?
We have our own private patio area.
And a dual pane slider.
Between the patio area and us, yes.
And dual pane windows throughout.
Yep.
So nice, great features, upgrades. We're excited for you to take a look. Here I am in the primary suite. It is phenomenal with these huge vaulted ceilings, double closets, a primary ensuite bathroom. There's a ton of space. You could even have a couple chairs in front of the bed. It's so wonderful. Here we are in the community of Bixby Green. We hope you enjoyed that video. Below us is carport parking. You have one spot below and one spot out front right when you get in. It's a gated community, very secure.
Yep.
It's one of the hardest gated communities to get into in West Garden Grove. There's a pool, hot tub, and it's maintained by the HOA.
Remember, if you like this video and you want to see more of them, subscribe to our channel down below. Please give us a like. You can hit the bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.